Now, the only thing that's left to do is to butcher these exhaust pipes. Uh-oh. Aha! I got it. So sorry. I know there may be some Virago owners that are disgusted with me right now, but guess what? We ripped 2 baffles out of these pipes. I managed to let the smoke out of this Black & Decker, and somehow it still works. It smells funny, but bravo to Black & Decker. We're gonna fire this bike up now, and I really hope it sounds good. No way. No way. Oh, yes way. Well, I know Steve is going to be a little mad that I made these pipes look awful, but I hope the sound makes up for it, because boy, oh boy, does that sound good now. It went from sounding like a refrigerator to sounding like a real bike. And boy, I am thrilled because not only does it sound crisp, but the throttle response feels better than it ever has. And it feels like it's got way more power in it. I am freaking excited. I am so stoked over this. Yeah, thanks for joining me today. Next video, I'm gonna put all this back together. I gotta get the intake cover back on, these covers back on. And but once the bike is put back together completely, I'm gonna take her out for a spin and you guys will be joining me. So if you like what you saw, please like. If you want to see more on this Virago 535, subscribe. Hit that bell icon to get notifications for my most recent uploads. Have a good one. Peace.